Oh, what a wee! With 70,543 kilometres on the very electronic type dial, we are an HSV Maloo. And what are we sound like now? A few holes in this one. We've just got a little bit of a noise thing happening. As Mr. Grasshopper elevates this 317 kilowatt Maloo, it's all a bit rusted and sad, and we're replacing it with an Australian-made 3-inch stainless bolt-on catback system. Big sound, but hey, it's what it needs to be, what it really is. I don't care if people use zip ties to get things here. They get here. Very old, rusted out up here. We've got the putty. Look at the bandage. But that's okay, it's all going. This once upon a time was a hurricane system many moons ago, and now it's going to go bye-byes. Back when these were just a mild steel system. All right, I'll strip it off and you can have a look. This has previously had the 3-inch twin on it, but maintaining the standard cats, which are not that big. And the adapter plates have gone on up to 3-inch, and that's what we're going to do again. Inside the catalytic converter, right hand side, perfect. Left hand side, perfect. No need to play with those. You can upgrade again later if you want to. You won't need to. How many kilowatts do you really need? Okay, carrying on. The jigsaw puzzle as it goes. Getting there. My, we're a subdued, angry little beast, aren't we, without all the holes? Exceptionally long resonators, but 2 of them, not a mixed batch of 4. All braced together. Sense supports where they had to be. Everything honky-dory. And 409 grade stainless steel. Aussie-made XPS mufflers. Adjustable brackets on these, so if you've ever got a different kit on the back, you can move things around a little. Oh, what big teeth you have. All right, so much for the banter. You'd like to hear it drive up the road, wouldn't you? Of course you would. What, you don't? Oh, you're gonna. Hang on.
The unbelievably quick service.
Thank you very much for coming in, Marty. Marty's from Tin Can Bay, and he loves his vehicle. You'll get to hear it going in just a moment. Very fiddly when you do these things, but hey, it had to be done right. The big sound without being over the top while just puttering around. Twin 3-inch Aussie-made stainless steel mandrel catback. VE R8. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. I'd say a simple bolt-on job as a kit, but there's nothing too simple about those. The adjustments are very finicky. Thanks for watching.